First look and hands-on of iPhone 14 Pro Max Spigen Liquid Air Armor Case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. The Spigen Liquid Air Armor has a thin and light design, but a geometric pattern on the back is designed to give users a better grip. It also offers better protection than the thin fit with covered buttons and sides. Essentially, the Liquid Air Armor case gives slim protection, stays pocket and grip friendly, showcases the new iPhone with long-lasting clarity and stays watermark-free with its innovative dot pattern. Military-grade protection with air cushion technology is present. At this point, most people know about Spigen, a brand that makes some of the best smartphone cases in several different styles and colors. And while anything it offers is excellent, the Spigen Liquid Air Armor is one of my favorites. This case is durable, textured, and will keep your phone safe without being too thin or too bulky. Spigen adds a lovely textured design on the back, ensuring you have a solid grip, adds even more ridges to the sides of the phone, and gives you easy access to the mute ringer switch. The Liquid Air Armor has raised edges that keep the screen and camera lens safe, plus the buttons are tactile and easy to press. It's an excellent all-around option. Spigen's thin fit is the most minimalist iPhone 14 Pro Max case in the accessory manufacturer's lineup. As you may have guessed from the thin fit's name, it doesn't feature significant protection, but lacks the bulk of a lot of Spigen's other more heavy-duty cases. The thin fit protects the iPhone 14 Pro Max while maintaining the phone's thin body.